Let me show you how I refresh my curls after I work out at the gym. But first, we need to go to the gym. This isn't gonna work. That's better. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to show you my new and improved, updated gym refresh routine. I get asked a lot how I maintain a wash day while also working out. And there are some tips and tricks and things that really do help. If you don't do these things, you're gonna destroy a perfectly good wavy curly wash day. Now it does greatly depend on how you like to work out. If you're doing really aggressive workouts like running or high intensity interval training workouts, it's gonna be harder to maintain your hair. But if you're doing something on the more gentle side, it can be a little bit easier to maintain your waves and curls. That being said, these tips and tricks will help you no matter what your exercise routine is. Now, this particular wash day, I used the Curlsmith Essential Moisture shampoo and conditioner. Then I added 1 pump of the Hydrate and Plump leave-in conditioner. P.S. This video is not about this product, but I have been loving this leave-in conditioner this summer. I don't know what it is about this product, but it is so slippery and hydrates my hair so well. I don't know about the plumping, volumizing effects of it, but how it makes my hair feel is absolutely incredible. So there's that. Then I organized my curl clumps using my swing curl clump method, used the Shape Up Aqua Gel as my first gel, and then I layered on top of that the Frizz Rescue Curl Retainer. Then I got out of the shower, plopped my hair, got dressed, and then right before I started diffusing my hair, I decided to add a layer of hairspray to my hair. This is one of my favorite wash day longevity hacks. If you have finer hair, if you have wavier hair that tends to elongate really badly due to gravity, hairspray can be a great hack. So you spray this on damp hair after you plopped your hair, then you micro plop one more time and diffuse. And this is what the wash day was looking like once I scrunched out the crunch. The definition, the shine, the volume was so good. I loved how my hair was looking. Now, I did wash and style my hair this morning, and we are now in the afternoon. With my wild and crazy mom life, sometimes I don't get to the gym till the afternoon. And this is how the wash day is looking before the workout. I really love including what it looks like right after I scrunch out the crunch and how it wears throughout the day, because I feel like that's a more accurate representation of wash day longevity expectations. If you have finer hair, have a looser curl pattern, it can be really easy to get scrolling on the TikToks and see these beautiful wavy curly gals whose hair seems perfect all the time. Why? Because they only film their hair right after they scrunch out the crunch. I want to show you the raw, nitty-gritty, actual reality of wavy curly hair. So you can see that this is still great. It's still incredibly pretty. But having run around outside in the West Texas wind, there is definitely some more frizz than there was this morning. I'm not bothered by that. I'm not upset by that. Why? Because I'm gonna go to the gym, work out, get all the feel goods from a really good workout, and then we're gonna refresh the hair. Now you may notice that I am dressed for the gym, but my hair is not up yet for the gym. There is a reason for that. Let me tell you about it.
So part of the trick is to leave your hair down for as long as possible. The longer you have your hair pulled back, the more chance you have of the hydrogen bonds getting stretched out in your hair. So that is why I leave my hair down while I'm going to the gym. Right before I walk into the gym, I'll put my hair up. So let's hurry up and get to the gym and put this hair up. All right, we made it to the gym. I am going to put my hair up with this right here, this lovely contraption. It's an Invisible Power. I also like using satin or silk scrunchies. Today, I grabbed this. So this is what we're doing. All I'm gonna do is flip my hair forward and gently gather it. I'm not running my fingers through my hair. I'm just scooping everything. You really want this to be loose. You don't want it to be super tight. Now that I've got it gathered, I'm just gonna take the hair tie off my wrist, twist once, and pull my hair halfway through, ensuring that everything is nice and loose, not tight at all. Okay, now let's go into the gym and get a good workout in. Oh my goodness. It was wild and crazy in there. It was so crowded. There was no way I was gonna be able to film any of that, but the workout is complete. Now that I am back in my car, I am immediately going to very carefully stretch out the Invisible and take my hair down. Now, it was kind of a light workout and I did kind of cut it short because one, it was so crowded, and two, I'm not feeling the best. I'm kind of coughing a little bit, so I don't want to push too hard. So we just did a light 35, 36-minute workout, get back in the car, take the hair down, and turn on the air conditioning, point the jets right at my hair, and dry the sweat on my scalp as I drive home. Then I will show you my final post-gym refresh step.
And we're back in the Wavy Curly layer, AKA my bathroom. There was something that would have been great to do that I am not doing in this video, but let's assume that you have finished your workout. Your hair is still in the workout pineapple. You run, you take a shower, you do all the shower things. The shower gets all nice and hot and steamy. Wow. It's not that kind of channel, but anyway, let's just say that the shower is like warm and steamy. Then you take your hair down in the shower. Your hair sits and soaks in that steam for just a second, and then you let it kind of settle and dry. Instead, what I did is just take it down like you saw and let the air conditioning from my car blow on the nape of my neck and my sweaty areas. And this is what my hair is looking like post-workout. Yeah, I know. It's definitely floofed and frizzy. Here is where my secret weapon comes into play. I have tried a lot of refreshing sprays over the years. In fact, for a while, I would just use water with a couple of drops of lavender oil in it in a Flairosol bottle to refresh my hair post-workout. But you know it. You already knew it was coming. Curlsmith has just come out with their Shake and Shine Curl Refreshing Mist. I know, we talk a lot about Curlsmith on this channel, but there's a good reason for it. They're one of the few brands that I see really thoughtfully formulating products and launching new products that solve a specific curly hair issue. This is an amazing refreshing mist made without drying alcohol. It's a bi-phase oil product that's specifically designed for curls. It's meant to extend the results of your wash day. It has 7 different hyaluronic acids in it and seaweed extract, which both of those ingredients are known for their moisturizing, conditioning properties. And what I specifically like about this is that it adds a little bit of moisture to my hair. I'm not sure exactly what's going on with my hair, but it's been having this kind of dry, crispy, crunchy feeling as my wash days goes on. Perhaps the air in the gym is just really, really dry. Like my hair was not feeling like this before the gym, but it's frizzy and it's feeling like it needs something, like it's not doing great. This is so easy to use. I don't have to wet my hair down. I don't have to diffuse after I use it. And it's insanely concentrated. So I only need to use the slightest little bit. All you do is gently, I'm gonna swing my hair into that mist, spritz it on, smooth it in, and scrunch. Can you see the difference from just those sprays from before? Here's what it looked like before, and here is what it's looking like now. Isn't that wild? It's significantly better. Here, this is the side that I have not even treated yet. Can we see the frizz and the floof? This is the before. Here we go. 2 sprays, super fine mist. And it has that classic Curlsmith fragrance, like the original Orange Label product fragrance, which Curlsmith calls a hibiscus coconut scent. I hate the smell of coconut. It doesn't remind me of the smell of coconut. It's just really sweet. I smell grapefruit and lemon and mango and honey. Like, it's really sweet. It's not broody. It's just a really sweet, delicious fragrance. Also, P.S., I'm really allergic to fragrance, and this does not aggravate my allergies at all, which I really, really like. It's very important to me. I'm very sensitive. Just gonna smooth a couple of these curls down that are particularly frizzy. And this is the after. This is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like after. Can you see that all of those frizzy flyaways just are like absorbed back into the hair? My hair feels so soft now and touchable, whereas before it had this dry, crispy, crunchy feeling, really frizzy, fly away, not looking good. Now I'm just gonna hit the back of my head because I got the sides. You know what? Let's get the underneath side. Just a tiny bit. Don't go overboard. You all know me. I always have a tendency to try and go overboard with stuff. And this stuff is really concentrated. And if you overdo it, you're gonna look a little greasy because it is that bi-phase oil refreshing mist. And there is the final refreshed result. Isn't that wild? It's so simple. Most refreshing sprays require way more work. There's diffusing involved. This is literally just 3 to 4 to 5 or 6 sprays of product on the hair. Frizz is tamed, curls are defined again that were all loose and falling apart. They're now back together and happy. My hair's not weighed down. Now, I do have a question for you. Tell me in the comments below, is the hair shinier now post-refresh versus prior to the refresh? This is after. This is what the hair looked like before. And here is after again. To me, in my mirror, it looks shinier. And I think that's because all of those frizzy hairs that had escaped their curl families have now been like coerced back into curl families. So the light is reflecting off of my hair better because my hair is not as frizzy and fly away. This also does contain some oil, which will help increase the shine in the hair, but like, it's not greasy at all. It's just really well refreshed. This is genuinely exciting to me because I have struggled with refreshing my hair for the past 6 years. I have not mastered the refresh. Why? Because I'm kind of lazy. I hate refreshing. It feels like a lot of work to me. My curls always come out stringy and gross. I need it to be fast, quick, easy, basically foolproof. And finally, there's something that's working for me. I am immensely grateful to Curlsmith for being willing to sponsor this video and for sending me these products. But just know, like, these are my honest opinions. I truly do love and appreciate the quality of products that this brand produces. It's all targeted to curly hair. It's all curly hair friendly, sulfate, silicone, and drying alcohol free. They really are doing their best to feed the world's curls. So if you do feel like checking out this product for yourself, I will have it linked in the description down below. No pressure whatsoever. My intent with these videos here on the internet is to be as helpful as humanly possible. And this is how I've been caring for my waves and curls post-workout. This is how I refresh my hair after the gym. And it's really been working good for me lately. As always, I sure hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.